So I'm going to show you how to replace a fill valve. This is the fill valve. The fill valve malfunction makes the water stay running. Also makes it can also make your water bill, go up. So there's that. First and foremost, we are going to cut the water off. Yeah. I have noticed that the water inside of the reservoir is warm, so that's a problem. Another one in itself, but we'll worry about that another day. But the next step is to drain all the water out. You can use a shop vac or something to suck the rest of it out at the bottom. Or you can be quick, fast, or just use a bucket, to catch the remaining excess water that's in the bottom. Because just flushing it not going to get it all out. Place your bucket in place. Undo your water line. Undo the screw. A little plastic nut under the bottom. Adjust your valve. Now I could use one hand, but I gotta use two hands because I am holding this phone just to show. But once you take this out, all the water dump out. If you don't have that bucket down there, water's gonna go out everywhere and wet your flooring and stuff like that, but whatever. And just take that bad boy out. Throw it in. Little to no water. Yeah. New one in. And all you gotta do is fasten it, tighten it back down. Alright, everything's secured. Yeah. Turn the water back on. Let that fill up. Problem solved. Or fixed. They said we still got warm water in the water, so there's that.